everyone, welcome. My name is Kaylee Martin and this is Josh Schick, and we're crew members on PT 305 at the National World War II Museum. And Josh, what is a PT?
PT stands for Patrol Torpedo. It's a boat that carries 4 large torpedoes, travels in the littoral zone, and is used to sink large enemy ships.
Well, that's really interesting. Let's go check it out.
Let's do it.
So Josh, what do you want to show me first?
We're going to check out the torpedo, the weapon that gives a PT its punch. This is a Mark 13 aerial torpedo, and it's on a roll-off rack. Aerial torpedoes are designed to be dropped by aircraft towards enemy ships, where they strike a ship underneath the water, dent the hull in, and cause it to fill with water and sink. That's why this is such a powerful weapon for such a little tiny boat.
So how did they drop it off of this boat then?
There's 2 things that have to happen. First, you have to start the torpedo, and you do that by pulling this tab here, and that gets the propellers spinning. Then you grab this lever here and you pull it. Once it gets pulled, these cables pop loose and it just rolls off the side of the boat and goes.
That's really cool. So how do you aim the torpedoes?
We're gonna go to the bridge and find that out.
All right. So we're at the bridge of PT 305. Josh, what are all these things we see here?
This is how you drive the boat and aim the torpedoes. We've got the 2 most important things for actually driving the boat are the throttles and the wheel. The throttles allow you to go faster or slower, depending on how you manipulate them. And the wheel turns the rudder. So you turn the wheel, it turns the rudder and the water in the back of the boat, and that's how you turn the boat. Now, when we were talking about the torpedoes earlier, we said the torpedoes just fall off the side and go. Well, they go where the boat is pointing. So whatever you want to torpedo, you point the boat at it. Sometimes you need help doing that, and that's where this comes in.
What is that?
This is a Mark 31 torpedo director. This helps you lead your target so that you can fire the torpedo in front of something moving and it will intercept it. So using this, you aim the boat to aim the torpedoes.
Well, that seems pretty easy.
Now, none of this stuff works without a crew on board. And in addition to being up here on deck, they actually have to live on the boat. And that happens down below.
Well, let's go see where they live.
All right.